and welcome to our channel. I'm working on a series of videos showing you fruit that heals, superfood, and food that can harm. And this afternoon I'm working on a bunch of bananas, very in potassium, it's full of vitamin C. The only drawback is that it's high in calorie. They come in different colors. You can have the green one, the red ones, and the yellow ones. The yellow ones are the ones that are easy to eat, and they are quite very sweet. They are elongated in shape, and you can confuse this sometimes with the large plantains, the ones that can be cooked, boiled, fried, or chipped. You can also make banana into banana chips as well, banana chips, or dehydrated in an oven overnight or in a hair fryer. This afternoon I'm just going to open one up. I've got 3 here. I'm going to open one up and eat to show you how it's done. Use bananas in your children's lunch box because it's easy to peel, it's hygienic. You know, even if they're not able to wash it, they're going to just peel it, remove the peel and eat the banana inside. So banana is quite useful, high in calorie like I said, so if you're on a diet you might not want to eat too much of bananas, but for people who need potassium to regulate their heart and lower their blood pressure, this is a good fruit, and it's a superfood, a healthy, packed with nutrients and healthy and good for human consumption. I'm going to peel one, so remove one from the bunch on the top, peel it, and then you have this, peel this for baby food, slice it for elderly. You can use a fork to eat that, or you can just bite and eat on the go. This can be put into you can put this into your blender and blend it into a smoothie. Some people add in a little bit of milk, but I would just say just have it as it is, maybe with a little water or some orange juice or apple juice. Enjoy. I hope I've been able to explain a little bit on this superfood banana, and I'll see you again in our next video. Have a good evening, and please subscribe to our channel. We love you. Thank you. Bye bye.